Two-factor authentication, not working on BusyKid App Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the BusyKid app, don't panic. This happens more often than you think, and the fix is usually simple. Most users assume the app is broken, but the truth is, it's often just a small setting that needs adjusting. Let's start with the most common culprit: your phone's time settings. Two-factor authentication, or FAO, relies on precise timing to generate one-time codes. Go to your device settings and make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Even a slight time mismatch can cause BusyKid to reject your code. Next, update your BusyKid app to the latest version. Outdated versions can sometimes disconnect from authentication servers, especially if BusyKid recently updated their security system. If you're waiting for a text message code but it's not coming through, try turning off Wi-Fi, disabling your VPN, or switching to mobile data. Some networks delay or block automated security messages, which can cause login problems. If you're using an authenticator app instead of text codes, make sure its time sync is correct. Most apps like Google Authenticator or Authy have a sync time for codes feature, enabling it can fix failed code issues instantly. Still not working? Try logging out, deleting and reinstalling the BusyKid app. This clears old cached files that might interfere with the authentication process. If you've recently changed your phone number or authentication device, that could also be the problem. Tap Can't Access Two-Factor on the BusyKid login screen and follow the reset instructions to re-enable secure access. Once you've synced your time, updated your app, and reset your FA method, everything should work smoothly again. Remember, this extra security step is what keeps your child's allowance and account details safe, so it's worth taking a moment to make sure it's working perfectly.